Hello, Mr. Jason's friends. This is Mr. Jason coming from my bedroom again. I have a new book for you today. We learned about sharing and how sharing makes everybody happy, and how sometimes sharing can really help fill a person's bucket. So I have a book for you called Movie Munchies. As you can see, I'm way up here in the left-hand corner, and this is our book, Movie Munchies. I've got a new app on my computer called Epic. It's a really nice app. It allows me to read books to you that you guys can see on your computer as I read them. But it is a little bit different. So hopefully we all um, like it. And if we do, we can keep on using it. If we don't, if somebody just says, oh gosh, I prefer when you read a book with your hands, Mr. Jason, then that's what we'll do, okay? But let's try this out and see how it works, okay? So this is Epic, and this is Movie Munchies. Words we need to know before we start are dollar, hungry, idea, large, share, and together. We know about dollars. We've talked about that in class before. Hungry, I think everybody knows hungry. That's just when you need to eat. An idea, we've had lots of ideas in class. I'm sure we know what that word is. And large is just a really nice way to say big, or maybe even huge, depending on how large it is. And sharing, we've talked about sharing in class before too. We all know about sharing, so share is a nice word that we already know. And then together, we talk about being together at class all the time. So the word together shouldn't be anything new for us either. All right, now that we've got our words, let's start reading. Movie Munchies is written by Holly Karpatova and illustrated by Bob Reese. That means he did the drawings and Holly did the writing. Happy the elephant loves movies. So does her friend Hugs the hippo. Today they are going to see a movie. Oh, look at that. Lucky the lion and George the giraffe are there too. But they all want to sit together. But first, they want to buy some snacks. Ooh, what kind of snack would you get? I love Reese's Pieces. I'd have to get some Reese's Pieces. Can I please have a large popcorn, a large drink, a chocolate bar, and some candy? George asked. George is always hungry. Look at that. This person right here, they look really surprised. That's a big order, isn't it? That's a lot of food. Maybe George will share. Think so? That will be $4, the woman tells him. Oh no, George says. I only have $1. But I want everything. Uh-oh. George doesn't have the money. Maybe some friends can help him. What do you guys think? What's your prediction? Your guess? That's a good guess. What are we going to do? Asked Hugs. We only have $1 each. Oh, $1. But we have how many friends? I have an idea, Happy says. We can each buy one thing, and then we can all share. Good idea, says George. I'm so hungry. Oh, that's a good idea. They've got 4 friends. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that would be $4. So they can get that huge amount of food and then share it. What a great movie, exclaims Hugs. Not as great as these movie munchies, says Lucky. Look at that. They're all sharing and having a good time. Happy says. They all agree. Pass the popcorn, says George. I'm still hungry. Oh my gosh, George can just eat and eat. All right. Well, that's the end of our book here. We have some questions. If you guys want to go over and answer them, we could do that. But I won't do it this time. First, I'd like to find out whether you guys liked using the Epic app, or if you wanted to just read books by hand. Please let me know in the comments or with Mom and Dad's help, and we'll take it from there. Thank you very much, and have a great day, okay?